Welcome to this small video about cognitive bias in my marketing models series. In this small video, I'll be talking a little bit more about the prospect theory. It's one of the theories or biases which is the basis of behavioral economics. The behavioral economics that Kahneman won a Nobel award for in 2002, and therefore also one of the most widely recognized biases that we see. It's one of the categories of biases that I've described before, but what is it actually? Well, it is the asymmetrical expectation or evaluation of loss versus gain. So losing $1,000 feels worse than gaining $1,000. Our classical economic theory tells us that it should be exactly the same behavior associated with that. Well, how is that then used? Well, think about, why do you buy an insurance? Most likely you will not get to use it, or at least only in a short term or for a limited amount. For most people, buying an insurance is a bad business decision. But from our prospect theory, we can get the feeling that we will feel worse from losing the money and having that disappear than paying a little bit to ensure we don't have that negative bias or negative effect. It's also one of the things that we can use in our sales and marketing. We will, instead of framing, remember the framing bias, we will put it in the context of what will they avoid, and that will have a lot stronger ring to it than what they can gain for it. We of course like to have it arguments which will tell us what we can gain from it, but it has to be arguments that is fitting with your person. So think about the egocentric bias. In the prospect theory, we are combining these ones and making sure that by using them in conjunction, we will have bigger marketing effects and more probable sales. So we try to ensure that the discrepancy between our loss aversion and risk-taking to gain is matched up. Okay, thank you for watching this small video on prospect theory. Subscribe and follow the other videos and dig deeper into it. Okay, see you in the next one. Bye.